just tested a brand new AI tool that can take a single idea and turn it into a fully designed app faster than most designers could even start. We're talking wireframed, polished UIs, full themes, and even exportable code, all generated from prompts. So whether you're a designer that wants to be 10x more productive or someone that wants their idea to come to life through better designs, you're gonna love this new tool and this video. So let's dive into exactly how this works step by step. Now that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be UX Pilot, because this tool right here is incredible. We could see in the top left-hand corner right here that we could start with design or we could start with a review. The first thing that I want to show you is starting with design. So let's say that we want to build out a social media management tool. We're going to say right here, a clean and modern dashboard for a social media management tool for, and I'm going to put Instagram, I'm going to put TikTok and YouTube. Now, if we had anything else that we wanted to add here, we would be able to add them, but otherwise we're going to click on generate right here. And this is actually going to bring us directly inside of UX Pilot so that we could see exactly what this looks like right here. Now we could see that we have a chat right here where we could go back and forth. We could chat, we could add in context, we could use this screen as a reference, we could upload files, we could come over here and change things. For example, they have a standard model, which is going to be the best quality output, or if you want an instant generation, you could use a blitz model. I'll show you more on that in just a second. In addition to that, if we click right here, you could see that you can actually build out custom themes. You could import a JSON file if you already have one. And if we come under system right here, we could actually choose from preset themes that they have if you have a specific theme or colorway that you want to go with. In addition to that, you're going to see deep design right here. This is going to give you a richer layout with less input. Basically, it pairs with Max, and we're going to have Max right here, which is going to create larger, more detailed results. Again, you could pair it with deep design if you wanted to use both of these things right here. In addition to that, when we come under Studio right here, we could see that we could generate multiple different things. For example, we could generate wireframes, we could generate hi-fi, and we could generate this for all of these different devices right here. And if we come over here, you could actually choose how the prompt is going to be. You could create a single screen, or you can create an entire flow, all from one prompt. And this button right here, this prompt tools, is awesome because this allows you to give prompt examples or to enhance a prompt. Okay, so we could see that we have our original design right here, where this has gone through and this has created this dashboard overview right here, which looks absolutely incredible. We could choose what kind of content we want to create. We could see our top performing content. We could see all of our analytics, our dashboard right here, and this is awesome. But let's say that we also want to create a wireframe and we want to actually create a hi-fi. So I'm going to come over here. We're going to choose wireframe for desktop, and we're going to come over here and do this for a single screen. So I'm going to say a social media dashboard that helps users keep track of their analytics on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. We're going to put this right here. I'm going to click on generate. This is going to go off, and this is going to actually begin to generate this wireframe right here. In addition to that, this hi-fi, I'm going to do the same exact thing. We're going to click on generate. So this is now going to go through and make both of these. And again, what's really awesome is this kind of tells you like, hey, this is how long this is going to take based on these percentages right here. So it's not like you're just sitting here blindly wondering when it's going to be done. Okay, so now that these are actually done, we can see what this looks like. We could see that this is the wireframe right here. In addition to that, we could come over here and we could generate specific things off of this. For example, we could generate more variations. We could generate a flow very quickly. We could generate a mobile version, a prototype, a heat map, and we could come over here and edit this in any way that we wanted to. For example, let's say that we wanted to edit this right here. Boom. We could click on this and we could choose between the blitz model or standard model. So I'm actually going to choose the blitz model right here, and I'm going to say, make this more complex. We're going to click on generate. And what this is going to do is generate this incredibly quickly. Now, while that goes off and actually does that, we could see right here that boom, this just did this very quickly. And we could see that this made this engagement overview look like this, which is a lot more complex than the original one that we had. In addition to that, if we wanted to copy this to Figma or Webflow, we would be able to do that right here. We could come under preview right here. We could use this screen as a reference for AI if we wanted to do that. We could interact with it. We could favorite it. Basically, we could come over here and do all of these other things with this, which is just incredibly useful. Now, if we come over here, we can see what this hi-fi actually looks like right here. And again, we were able to do this in a few seconds versus having to wait days or weeks for a designer to do this. Or if you are a designer, this kind of just enables you to do your work way faster. Now, something again that I really do want to highlight is under the editing here, there are so many different ways for you to be able to edit this. You could do a global edit, which is going to be generating an entire new version. You could edit a specific section, or you could go through and actually edit the screen manually if you wanted to by doing it just like this, which is great because again, this gives you multiple different ways for you to be able to assess and change things. On top of that, one other thing that I did want to call out here is that if you actually have your code, you could actually come over here and you could add in context. So you could upload your code files in here in order to actually get a better response if that's how you wanted to engage with this. And like I was sharing before, you do have direct access to Figma here. So let's say, okay, we love this design right here. We could actually come over here and we can come under this right here and we could see that we could save this and retrieve this with the Figma plugin right here. So if we click on this right here, that'll then get saved to our Figma account. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could copy this for Figma if we wanted to, then come over there and actually paste it. So there are multiple ways for you to be able to take the designs and the things that you have inside of UX Pilot and then bring them into Figma. On top of that, I did want to show you the code export. So if we come over here, we could see that under generate, we could do several different things here. For example, we could prototype this if we wanted to. I'm going to go through and I'm actually going to generate a prototype right here. In addition to that, let's say that we came back over here. We'll do it actually with this one. We could come over here and we can actually export this. So if I come over to export, we could see that I could export this as an image. I could export this as a PDF, or I could export this as HTML if I wanted to, which is going to be code that we could then use. Okay, so we could see React prototype. So now we have this right here, and we could see that we could actually manage the publish settings from right here. In addition to that, we could actually come over here and we could share this if we wanted to, but I'm going to click on preview so we can actually look at this and be able to actually interact with this. So this right here is a prototype that we have that is pretty awesome that this is built out. And if we wanted to, we could actually add in full responsiveness. So we could come over here and we could see all design right here and see everything, or we could come over here and see single design, but this looks absolutely incredible that it was actually able to go through and prototype this out. Now, another thing that I did want to emphasize here is going to be the design import system. So you're going to be able to take your designs and import them from Figma and be able to really easily actually create things or change things inside of UX Pilot using that. And this makes this incredibly easy for you to take this, bring it into UX Pilot and really build things out. So let's say that we have our design system right here. We've got all the different things that we want. We have what our badges should look like, what carousels should look like, what pop-ups should look like. What we could actually do is come into plugins right here after we right click, and we're going to see UX Pilot, AI UI generator, and AI wireframe generator, which is then going to allow us to create a new collection right here that we're just going to name. Then you're just going to highlight and actually grab all of your different components. You're going to add them into this, and you're going to be able to import this into UX Pilot. And then now when we come back over into UX Pilot and we actually want to create something, we're going to be able to just come over here, for example, creating a flow for a Web3 peer-to-peer payment web application. And so long as we have our design system chosen, this will actually go through and generate everything with our design system in mind. And this makes it incredibly easy. If you're running a business, you already have a website, you already have an app, and you have those design systems inside of Figma to import them really quickly and then be able to create updates of everything that you want to create, or a new app or a new website with your design system in mind without having to restart everything from scratch or go back and forth on little things that it messed up. Now, before I walk you through a few of the use cases that I absolutely love this tool for, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with the UX Pilot today for free. This tool is going to help you save time and build 80% faster. Now, the first use case I wanted to show you here is actually not going to be designing something, but it's going to be reviewing something. So if we come over here, I can actually drop an image into here. What I'm going to do is drop an image of a dashboard that I recently created, and I'm going to have this do a design review. So this is going to actually review the design and it's going to provide details. So if we come over here, we could outline the scope and the objective of the review. We're going to say how to improve the conversion rate and make the design much more simple / modern. We're going to click on start review. And now this is going to go through. This is actually going to analyze our design. It's going to search for best practices. It's going to generate a comprehensive review. And we could see that literally in seconds, this goes through, gives us an overview. We have all of the different strengths of this design that we currently have. We have all the different risks. We have the intended device. We could come over here and this gives us a scorecard on usability, accessibility, visual hierarchy, all these different things, goes through all of these different issues that we need to fix. And then guess what? We also have quick wins, visual styling adjustments, we have visual notes, and we have a reference summary right here. So I want you to think about this. In the past, this would have taken like a week to do a design review, but now AI can help you do this. You could copy the results, you could save the results, you could download this as a PDF. So you could use this to send this off to clients. You could use this to get new clients. You could use this to give feedback on something that one of your designers sent you. And this is incredible. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you here is how you could actually use this to design a complete new tool. Now, we've kind of already walked through this before, but maybe we want to actually create a flow. So we can come over here and we can say, create an onboarding flow for my CRM for real estate agents. Now, I'm going to have deep design on. I'm going to have max design on. We can also come over here and we could generate a flow of screens with AI. We could add in steps manually. And if we wanted to, we could actually come over here and choose the design systems. I'm going to go with the Blitz model on this. Actually, I'm going to go with standard model on this one. I'm going to generate the flow with AI, and I'm going to get AI to actually go through, generate this. And this is going to be pretty incredible because this isn't only going to be generating one thing. It's going to generate the entire onboarding flow. You could do this for onboarding. You could do this for the checkout experience. You could do this for everything that you could think of. And now we could see that this literally just used AI to do this. So we have the intro screen, we have the account creation, we have email verification, then we have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. I'm going to click on generate, and this is going to go through, and this is literally going to generate all of this for me. The welcome, account creation, email verification, steps 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the home dashboard. We have the leads list, the lead profile, all of this. This is probably like a month's worth of work that this is about to do in just a few minutes. Now, just like this is actually going through and this is finishing this. So we could see the welcome right here. This is exactly what this is going to look like. This is going to be the initial page. Now, the next thing that we are going to notice here is that if we come over here, this is going to be what it looks like to actually go through and create an account. We could see that it's insane that it built out something this quick that is this comprehensive. So we have our initial thing, we have our creating an account, and the rest of these are just about to be done. I'll show you what they look like in just a second. Okay, so now we can see exactly what the email verification form is going to look like. And again, this looks absolutely incredible. It is thinking through everything. It is adding in even like these testimonials down here, or if you need help. It is incredible how good this is at actually thinking through each step of this process and then being able to generate all this in just minutes. And that last thing I wanted to show you is how easy this is to actually get this to redesign things for you. So if we come over here, we could come over to Content Buddy, and what we are going to see is that I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here, and then we can come over into UX Pilot right here, and I'm going to upload this screenshot. So we're going to click on this right here, and we're going to open up a new project that is going to be Redesigning Content Buddy. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say redesign this product layout page. We want to create a dark version / make everything pop a bit more. Now we're going to come over here, we're going to click on generate, and this is going to open up this new project where we are going to be able to do this. Okay, so now we can see that just like that, this went through and this redesigned this, and this is a dark version, which is literally exactly what we wanted, and I love this. And again, if we want to take this a step further, we can come over here, we could edit anything that we want, we could generate a predictive heat map, we could generate a prototype for this, and if we wanted to completely redesign the flow too, we could go through and do that, or build different variations of this. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below and get started with UX Pilot today for free. I've tested a lot of AI tools. This is one that actually changes how you build products. If you want to save time, move faster, and bring your ideas to life, make sure you check it out today.